Are you a calligrapher? Here are top 3 branded brush pens that you must try. At number 1, we have Tombow dual brush pens, which are very popular among calligraphers. These are twin tip markers with a brush and a fine tip, so you get the benefit of 2 pens in one marker, just like you get information and entertainment on this channel. One pen is priced at around 180 rupees on Amazon, while a pack of 10 pens cost around 1800 on Amazon, while the ultimate set of 96 Tombow dual brush pens cost around 15,000 rupees.
तेरा घर इसमें चले जाएगा पूरा.
At number 2, we have Kelly markers, which is every calligrapher's dream. Each of these markers have 2.4 ml of liquid ink, which makes it last longer than you can imagine. I have been using them since 2020. One pen is priced at around 180 to 200 rupees on Amazon, while a pack of 12 cost 2100 rupees, while the Pro set cost around 15,000 to 25,000 rupees on Amazon. They have a variety of options like neon shades, metallic shades, and the latest one, which are pigment based brush pens. These have a really smooth and flexible yet controllable brush tip. At number 3, we have Royal Talens Ecoline brush pens, which are water-based brush pens with a large yet flexible brush tip. One pen is priced at around 250 to 300 rupees on Amazon, while different packs of 10, 15, 30 ranges from 2000 to around 5000 rupees on Amazon. The body of the pen is much wider than our usual brush pens, which makes it less popular among calligraphers. So which one do you plan to try next? Tell me in the comment section, and don't forget to check detailed video on large tip brush pens on my YouTube channel.